Alrighty, so I have the fan off and I'll show you how this is the case. Let me put the pull chain on there, or maybe take it off. And now I'll wiggle this. It's supposed to be making that noise. I'm trying to show you that this is the case. It's making a little bit of it. But maybe I should just move it like this. Can't get it to move. I mean, tick. Yep, but this, if I do this, it like you could, it does this now. It doesn't feel like it don't feel like it's on as firmly as it used to. So yeah, it's time to take this apart and figure this out.